Okay, today to unbox and maybe rip open, see what's inside here. We have one of these solar regulators, or solar charge controller, whatever you want to call it. That's the model number. Let's break this thing open. Focus. That's the front of it. Charge light, load light, battery level. Down here, you'd have your positive for your solar panel, negative, battery positive, battery negative, load positive, negative. Looks like they actually put numbers in there. You can kind of see inside there already. Two mounting holes. Right there and there. Let's pull springs. Oh, that's a little chintzy right off the bat. Got some writing in there. Jumpers. Looks like an opto isolator. Two little charge controller chips or something. I don't know. I'll have to look at the number on them. You can't see the number on them either. No. That's definitely chintzy. How long before them cut ligs down there bust off? Let's pull this out here once. See if we can't see the backside. So they obviously tin traces to get higher current handling. There's a website. Must be a company makes the board or something. Nothing that spectacular on the back. A lot of via stitching. Well, that's something interesting. Let me get something to shove in there. It's a little bit easier to see. I don't know if you can see that now. It's not by heatsink, but that is just a standard automotive fuse, like soldered on the board. Can't say I've ever seen that before. And it is a 20 amp. Let's zoom in here, see if we can't see any numbers on these chips. There's a little something on that one. Wow. I still can't make that on the camera, so I'll have to pause this here and punch them in. Let's see what them are, but them are some whatever they are, they look the same. How about these? There we go. Where's the number on them? Let's try these chips again here once. That looks to be a Texas Instrument chip, I believe. I don't know, it's really hard looking through the viewfinder here as a magnifier, but there's that one. Still say that's an optocoupler. All four. There is there? I don't know if That's a nice placement right there. And same thing on this side. And that one might just be missing. Nope. Quality. Let me punch in them chips here and we'll get back to this. So, I don't know. This thing's built to a price, but yet it uses some pretty halfway decent stuff. It's not built all that crappy. These are all NXPs. I punched these in real quick. I didn't spend too much time digging around, but I can't find too much information on them. And, well, it's just pretty much not all that much to it. There's the back side. To put them back together and see how it works. A little user manual. Quality certificate. I don't know if that's supposed to be filled out by the factory or not, but I don't know. Looks like the plastic here. Nothing fancy for plastic. Pretty craptastic molding. I doubt it's glass fiber. Don't see any casting marks at all. Of what it is. That one might be glass. I don't know. This one didn't feel like it though. Yeah. I think this is just normal. I think this is glass fiber reinforced. But we'll throw this back together. I got a project for this. I'm going to use it more or less for the low voltage disconnect Don't know how much I'll use it for the solar, but we'll see how she lasts and how she works. Just wanted to add one more thing about this. I spent a little bit more time looking up them two chips. One is a multi-channel, a quad-channel op amp, and the other one is an inverter.